So hello guys, welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how you can create this text effect inside of After Effects. So let's start. Here I am in After Effects, so let's create a new comp first. And now I will create a text layer and I am writing on it Namasura, my channel name. And after naming it, I will increase its size and align it in the center. Now after doing this all things, we need to go on rectangle tool and create a solid shape mask below the text layer, and you can change the color of the rectangle, but it will be not an now we will place it just below the text. Make sure that it should not touch the text layer. And now add an effect named track matte onto our text layer. Firstly, we will rename our solid layer to matte, and now drag it below the text layer. Now change the source to the matte and your text will be gone. And now to bring it back, click on invert. Now your text is back. Now click on the text layer, open up the drop down, open up text and click on animate and choose position. After opening the position, now open range selector. Now here will be many options, start and offset. Now click on the stopwatch of off in the starting, create it to 0 and go a few frames ahead about 1 second and increase it to 100. And now if you change the position, you will be able to see the animation. Here I am increasing the position of the text and you can see we have already created a text effect. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Such videos will be coming soon. So take care and bye bye.